Okay, so we're going to read a book about being a little bit responsible for the planet, and it's called
This Class Can Save the Planet by Stacy Tornio, illustrated by Kirsten Britain. This class can save the planet. Urgent. Open right away. Dear class, we are the students of Classroom 217. We are writing to tell you the planet needs your help. We can all take better care of our oceans and rivers, mountains and beaches, parks and lands, schools and communities. This can feel big and a lot to think about, and really hard at times. But we believe this class can save the planet. Will you join us? Instead of using only one side of the paper, we can use both sides and recycle when we're done. Instead of lunches packed with plastic, we can choose reusable materials. Instead of throwing food away, we can eat it, compost it, save it. Instead of reaching for new supplies, we can finish what we already have. Instead of tossing broken things, we can look for ways to fix them. Instead of throwing out too small clothes, we can donate to others. Instead of buying everything new, we can invent, borrow, and make things by hand. Instead of keeping lights and electronics on, we can power them down when they're not in use. Instead of water bottles you can only use once, we can switch to reusable. Instead of being silent, we can speak up and be a voice for change. Because with a voice and action, we can do hard things, achieve a lot, and make a big impact. The planet needs you. It needs all of us. Because this class can save the planet. Yours truly, Classroom 217.
Okay, Leg Buff, it's our turn to be responsible. Give us a silent cheer if you'd like to join us.